Hi guys, RD here from PROTRADERSNETWORK.com, and right now we have the XRP, also known as Ripple, on the daily time frame. So I've actually marked up the charts, and right now we can see that price is actually just below the $1 level at around 0.9998. And as you can see, since price have actually been on a retracement for quite some time, which started somewhere in the middle of April, and right now we have a double bottom that's just been formed, with the first bottom around the 22nd of June, and then we have the second bottom on the 20th of July. After that, we saw that price of XRP continued upwards, and the first thing that showed that the price of XRP have actually gone into some sort of a bullish momentum is that price actually has been trading above the 9 moving average. Alright, my purple line right here is the 200 moving average, and as long as price is above the 200 moving average, we can say that the price of that particular asset is on the bullish side. Right, so at this point in time, what can we say about XRP? Well, the first resistance is, of course, I've marked here. The point is near the 1.098 level, and if we break this particular level, we still need to actually break above this particular slanting line, which is around the 120 level. And I would say that a defined breakout above this particular level would then give us a better scenario for a bullish move towards the next resistance, which is around the $1.70 level. So if I can just draw the chart so that you can actually see a clearer picture, is that we have a cup here, right? So from here we might actually have a situation where price starts to go lower, and then once it breaks higher, it will go towards the next level at 170. And this is basically this is a cup and handle pattern, and it is actually a bullish pattern if we have this kind of retracement. So if you are already not in XRP yet and you are thinking of actually buying into XRP, what are the best levels to actually look into? Well, basically you can see that this particular area here once held as support, okay, for quite a long time, since the 19th of May all the way to 18th of June. And yep, it's about a couple of weeks and months, right? So this particular area here will then, based on technical analysis, be a great support as well. So even if you buy at this point at around the 78 level, 79 level, right, around these around between 76 to 78, so if you are going in at that point, you could actually, all right, easily get a couple of profits by just targeting, all right, the 107 level. Right, so however, if you are going in for the longer run and looking for prices to actually go further than that, then the next level is at the 170 level, which will mark as the next resistance level if we have this 109 level broken. However, guys, do take note, we also must understand that the market can do anything, and if let's say this particular level is broken and this is broken, then this is actually an argument for a structural break, for and it could be a structure. It is a structure break, and it basically means that we are in for more bearish moves, right, to the downside. However, if these two levels maintain and price maintains above these two particular levels which I've just marked, we might see further prices to the upside. So moving on, we need to also we can also use Fibonacci levels to actually tell us where price might go to if it actually starts to go to the upside, right? So let me just mark those levels. All right, so first, if we have the break of this level at around 109, the next resistance I foresee would be the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is at $1.23, right? The 618 level can also be a resistance level, but at this point, based on price action, there's not much resistance there. So I would say that after the break of this slanting line, I think that we might actually see a push through all the way to 170 level. And again, if we reach 170 level, right, let's say after market has done this and has moved to the upside, we could actually see a similar cup and handle pattern, all right, here before it moves higher towards possibly towards the 290 level. But of course, it's not going to be an easy move unless we see more parabolic moves in the coming days and weeks, and we can see that the market goes into a bullish momentum, and it's a clear indication. There are clear indications that we're going to go so high and at a fast pace. But at this point in time, we are still at these lower levels, and we need to actually look at what the market gives us, right? So at this point, I think we should concentrate on this level, the break of this level, and that this level must hold. All right, so if it's going down towards this level, I think it's a good place for you to actually be loading up on XRP, and possibly you can target your first take profit at around the $1 to $1.09 level, and then after that you might take half of the table to and then wait for a further move up, right? So but however, if price were to actually fall back down, remember, if you were to be buying at these levels, you could actually put a break even stop, so that, you know, in case it breaks lower, you are already out and in profit, right? So that is a more defensive way of actually investing and in any assets, right? So you put a break even stop. However, for those people who believes in the long term price appreciation of cryptocurrencies, I'm sure a lot more people will be buying once it reaches levels of about 50 cents, right? But at this point in time, with this double bottom, and we have not yet seen a clear retracement reaction from these levels, I think the market is still bullish at this point, and until it breaks below the 9 EMA and also the 200 exponential moving average, then I would say that right now price is still on the bullish side, right? So hope to see you guys in the next video in other cryptos possibly, and just hang on tight, right? The market can actually test us for a while before it makes its real move. So all the best to your trading and investing, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Signing out, RD from PROTRADERSNETWORK.com.